Tired of crypto exchanges that make moving your money feel like solving a Rubik's Cube? Let's simplify things with a quick guide to depositing and withdrawing on Coinex. First, log into your Coinex account and head over to the Assets section. You'll typically find this in the top navigation or on the bottom menu if you're using the app. To deposit, choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click the deposit button next to it. Make sure you choose the correct cryptocurrency. Sending the wrong type will result in permanent loss. A deposit address and QR code will pop up. This is where you'll send your crypto. Double check that you've selected the right network like ERC20 for Ethereum-based tokens. Now, copy the deposit address. Be super careful when copying and pasting, or scan the QR code with your sending wallet. Open the wallet you're sending from, paste the Coinex deposit address, enter the amount you want to deposit, and confirm the transaction. Remember, network fees will apply, so make sure you have enough in your wallet. Deposits need confirmations from the blockchain, so be patient. You can track the progress in your deposit history. Once confirmed, your funds will appear in your Coinex account. Withdrawing is just as straightforward. This time, click the Withdraw button next to the cryptocurrency you want to send out. Enter the withdrawal address where you want to send your crypto. This is the address of your external wallet or another exchange. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. You'll probably need to enter a two-factor authentication code for security. Review everything carefully. Once you hit confirm, your withdrawal request is submitted. Depending on the network and Coinex's processing times, it might take a little while for your funds to arrive in your external wallet. And that's it, depositing and withdrawing made simple.